Music1 is the world's leading source of music for fitness professionals that delivers unlimited Power Music pre-made mixes and your ClickMix custom mixes to your mobile device. This video will guide you through using our app. If you don't have an account and want to just use the player with music in your library, click here. If you'd like to get set up with an account, go to powermusic1.com and get signed up. If you have an account, signing in is quick and easy. Once you're logged into the app, you'll default into the Explore section. Here you can browse for albums based on categories such as new releases, activity, music genre, and more. By clicking on New Releases, you will see a full list of the latest Power Music pre-made albums available for download. Tap on an album to view and preview the tracks. You can download any of these releases by simply clicking the download button to the right of the album you would like to download. Once music is downloaded to your device, it will be available for playback without an internet connection. Once your album is downloaded, you can tap the three dots and add it to the player. You are now ready to go. Press play and start your mix. At any time, you can use the BPM slider to decrease the BPM or increase the BPM. This all happens without changing the fidelity or pitch of the song. To incrementally increase or decrease the BPM, use the arrows on the left. To lock the BPM of your mix to a certain percentage higher or lower, click the percentage button and adjust as you like. By default, each new song in your playlist will match the percentage change you have selected. If you want your current song and the rest of your playlist to play at a specific BPM, let's say 140, simply use the slider or the up and down arrows to set the BPM to 140 and tap BPM. Now all songs will play back at 140 beats per minute. Tap Reset at any time to restore the song to the original BPM. To jump to a specific song in your playlist, click on the Playlist button at the bottom right of your screen and tap the song you want to jump to. Click the icon on the lower right again to return to the player. The Power Music1 app comes complete with two timers. One is a simple timer. The other is an interval timer, also great for doing tabatas. If at any time you'd like to return to your previous screen, simply click the down arrow at the top. Back at the home page, notice the search will allow you to look up music by artist, album, or song. On the home screen, click on the My Music button. Here you will find everything you've downloaded to your device. You can click Recently Added and sort by playlists or ClickMix. You can further sort by date added or alphabetically by clicking A to Z. Okay, let's start creating. From any screen other than the player, you can create your own playlist with tracks from Power Music or your own iTunes library or both. Select Create Playlist and name it. Now simply click Add Tracks. Notice you can add tracks from Power Music, albums from Power Music, or tracks from your iTunes folder. Let's add one Power Music track. Here you can search by latest tracks, music style, and activity. Or you can use the search bar. And now one Power Music album. Here you'll notice the categories from the home page, and you can select whole albums to add to your mix. And now one track from our device library. Your iTunes folder will appear, and you can select whatever is downloaded on your device. Please note, you cannot add tracks from streaming services like Spotify and Apple Music. When selecting songs from your device, it is mandatory you do one of the following. Press Tap and either choose the default BPM, set the BPM manually, or tap out the BPM and press Save in each instance. To change the order of songs in your playlist, click on Edit, then press and hold the right side of a track and drag it into the position you want. Then click Save. A cool album hack idea. If you liked a Power Music pre-made album, but wanted to change the order of the songs, Power Music 1 is the place. Simply create a playlist, select Add Albums from Power Music Albums. Add the album, then go in and edit away. It's super fun and really easy. You can add gaps to your mix by selecting the Gap button. The gap appears at the top of the mix and can be easily dragged down from the right and wedged between any songs you like. You can also set the length of your gap to 3, 5, or 10 seconds. Lastly, by tapping the BPM setting, you can customize your tempo. By selecting flat BPM and adjusting to the desired tempo, the entire mix will play at that speed. Dynamic BPM is the default setting of each song. After selecting this, you can then tap the BPM button next to each song and set as you like. The third option is BPM range. Here you can set a beginning and ending range for your mix. In this example, I've selected 130 starting tempo and a finishing tempo of 140. Now the mix will speed up gradually throughout the workout. When you're happy with your mix, tap Finalize Mix in the lower right-hand corner. Once saved, it will begin downloading into your My Music folder and you're ready to rock. Okay, now let's make our own mix. Back at the home screen, tap Create Click Mix and name your mix. And just like in playlists, you can search by tracks, style, activity, or organic search. Tap to the left of a song title to preview a song. If you want to mark songs as favorites and come back to them, just tap the star. You can go back to the Favorites category and review later. If you're sure you want to add the track to your click mix, tap the plus button. Once all tracks are selected, the same functionality as playlists is available. Please note, some tracks in ClickMix are radio versions and are unable to be beat mixed together and will crossfade only. When you're ready to go, tap Finalize Mix. ClickMix will compile the tracks together and create your custom mix. This can take up to 2 to 3 minutes, and this is a great time to stretch. The new ClickMix is added to your My Music section and is ready for action. It is highly recommended that you put your phone on Do Not Disturb or airplane mode to avoid interruptions to the music while using the app. By clicking the menu in the upper left-hand corner, you can get into your settings. The User Profile menu lists your profile information, membership status, and renewal date as applicable. The Data Settings menu allows you to enable or disable the use of cellular data networks for downloading songs whenever a Wi-Fi connection is not available. You can also choose to get a reminder whenever your Wi-Fi connection is not available. In support, you can email us directly or visit our support page for frequently asked questions. Finally, by turning the Do Not Sleep option on, the screen will be prevented from turning off. Be advised that this option may drain your device's battery more quickly. One more thing, Power Music 1 exclusives are albums created especially for Power Music 1 subscribers. These monthly releases typically feature the newest tracks available, so check them out for your classes or just great mix ideas for your own custom creations. That's it. Please enjoy and help spread the word. And if you're feeling generous, please give us a nice review rating on the Apple App Store or Google Store. It is very much appreciated. Okay, I'm out. Thanks for watching and have a great day.